So right now, I'm going to a place. This is a waterfall that is near Moi. I realized that the field here has been changed. They call it still cultivated. Actually, it's stilled. And some people are really overworking, because Moi for a long time has had this unused land. Actually, Moi has if you come to realize, it has so much unused land around the school. And all this, when they are realizing it is very like it has no work. I must congratulate them. They have realized that something is not doing, something is wrong, and land must be put into use. So that's quite a progress. Back from the behind the hostels, I guess the plant maize probably, but let's wait. I guess Moi has really changed for some reasons. I do not understand why. The administration changed. How they used to do things has really changed ever since the time that I quit school and I came back. It's just a new Moi for you. Well, that's another story for another day. Right now I'm going into the waterfalls. I just take you through the journey, how much it can take from the main road. Right now it is 2 minutes past 2 minutes past I'm actually calculating the distance from the point where I started, the hostels. Hostel A, it's called Hostel A. Yeah, but so I guess this forest anyway actually belongs to Moi University institution back in Eldoret. So we'll be going that in this slope up to that point, the lowest point there. That's where the waterfall is. This place is called Keses. Moi is in Keses constituency. I guess let me zoom into the river. I guess my camera is not quite clear, but I'll show you in a minute. But generally this is how land looks like behind Moi. Escarpments, hills, rivers. The natural beauty behind it is amazing. So I'll be going down to the stream where we'll find the waterfall in Moi. Usually when I'm bored, I usually come to the waterfalls to just feel the nature and talk to nature anyway. I sometimes talk to nature because I believe nature has a role uh, in our communication with it, with the earth that we are brought in, we are placed in. That's where Garden of Eden. Remember Adam was put into a garden. To maintain it, to name all the animals and take care of it. And up to date, we always do that. That's our role as do I call ourselves as humans. It's our role to finish the work. Up to date, there are some microorganisms. Now I'm speaking on the context of what I'm doing, what I know. There are so many unknown bacteria, and each and every day they are being named. They are being identified. So, talking about the role that we are given, it's not yet complete. The role of taking care of creation. We usually take care of wildlife in institutions called national parks, those institutions that take care of and including the orphanage for animals. But it's good. And also there's another role that was added to human beings. That was multiply. Nowadays people are working on how they are multiplying. And my view of that is that it's quite authentic. Okay, the reason is there are many reasons why people are not giving birth. They have the ability to do, but only reaches a point where the economic stage in which they are in is just giving them pressure. They're just under pressure of economic. How will they provide to these people, these new faces in this earth? It's your responsibility to take care of them. I hear of deadbeat dads, deadbeats and deadbeat moms. You come to think of it, it's about this generation of ours, this last generation, before the world turns chaotic. Realize that you don't have to take responsibility for some things, because there are so many aspects that run behind it. There are so many things that run behind it. That's people with logic minds. You must sit down, which of course we know it's not even possible. The world is continuing to being in a worse state than ever. Now, think of this. I always think of this. Imagine the world as it is right now in 2024. People are evil. People are killing each other. Like, people are having all form of can you call it, indiscipline. They are doing all sorts of evil. Wouldn't it reach a point where everyone is evil? And now the question is, where will that lead to? And that's where religion comes in. To reach a point where God has to now separate the evil from people that really worship Him. And I don't know. I just can't predict the future. But Revelation gives the book of Revelation in the Bible gives a clear preview of how Moi tumesema Moi supposed to be the world will be like that at the end, because logic says that people will become more and more evil, and that's a fact. Because anyway, if you think about it, people want to get the sweetness, want to enjoy things that they feel that they are making them happy, and glad that it happens, because the will of God must come into being from that. So I've reached the point, and I don't know, it's just that I'll just show a good preview. Don't want to show people's faces, but this is the waterfall that I was talking about. And yeah, it really looks natural. I'm going down the stream, and just go about down the stream. I don't know if my voice is clear. This is the fact that water is flowing. Water is making a lot of background noises. I don't know. So I is down the stream where water naturally flows. So I'm going to find a spot here and take a break from what has been happening in my life. So generally I talk not Peter there. I might slide and go into something. So yeah, I've reached that point where I need to just relax myself, just take a break, a small break. It's not that bad.